we will be plane spotting. Now just basically seeing how erupted a public server will be in ptfs. So let's go to Greater Rockford. Oh my god. Bro, it's lagging as hell. Okay, let's go to the ATC tower. Okay, I already spawned in and I already see a Air Force One 747. God damn, I'm sorry there. ATC tower. I lost it. But I always forget where the ATC tower is. Yeah, definitely not that way. Stay on the path. Oh, I thought I saw it. Okay, we already see another easy jet. Oh, get to the... Oh, found the ATC tower. Yeah, I know where it is. Whee! Okay, let's kind of just, plane spot. So here's our 747. And then there is an EasyJet. And then behind there is a red arrow. You're going the wrong way, sir. So there's a B-2 bomber there. And then down here is a Delta. So it seems like the 747 is still parked up. Oh my god, there's so many people in the rumor. So there's a Qantas. You can see the pilot. There goes the B-2. Okay, we get something flying over. Okay, there's a Qantas Airbus A380 gonna be coming around on the path. Oh, taxiway. You can see the pilot. So he's currently flying a Qantas Airbus A380. -8. Okay, so it seems like the 747 is getting pushback permission. What are you saying? Can I join on? So this is what like the A380 looks like from the floor. Let's go up. There's the A380. Seems like he's going to be parking up at the gate. You can see him there. Damn! Wind speed 2 miles an hour. There is the Qantas. Okay, so we're getting aircraft coming in. Let's have a look what he is. A B-2 bomber. Incoming over Euro Typhoon. Flares. So down there is the Delta still. So there is an aircraft coming in to land. Here's the B-2 bomber. An aircraft is probably coming in to land there. It looks like a 787. Ooh, that was good. Okay, we're getting a Mohawk. Here he is. Okay, he's got some flares. There's the B-2 bomber going. And there he is. Doing back. We have another B-2 there. What do we have down here? An A380 still, okay. No, the A380 is gone. I think the Mohawk's coming back around again. Yeah. Nope. No, he's just landed. B2 bomber here. We're getting a fighter jet flying over. I can't see it though. $360. That feels so weird. Okay, I found him. That was a B2 bomber. Yeah, he's gonna do another flyover. Oh! He crashed behind the hangar. So over there you can see the USS aircraft carrier.